Hey, Beaver County students. If you are thinking of working in automotive or collision at Beaver County CTC, you would be making a great choice for yourself, especially if you want to work on planes, helicopters, military drones, and rockets in the future. Why? Because obtaining the fundamental skills from programs like Beaver County CTC has to offer can give you a great head start in your career. Skills learned in automotive and collision can be useful to your education here at PIA. We are proud to have outstanding graduate employment, and we look forward to training our students for the jobs of tomorrow. The technical knowledge you can gain from a hands-on education at Beaver County CTC can be beneficial in our classrooms and shops at PIA. Many of our students and graduates have found their careers in aviation began in a high school trade program like these. Consider attending Beaver County CTC when you are in high school. One of our representatives will be made available to you, and you can speak to them about the many benefits of attending PIA and discover the many advantages of working in the aviation industry.